Good day, children. Beta, in last class we had completed exercise 3.7. Okay, today onwards we are going to start from exercise 3.8. In this exercise, what is there? Find the LCM of the following numbers. LCM we had done, completed in the previous exercise also. So here in a fast at a glance I am just showing you how you will complete this exercise. See that for LCM you will always do the division by the prime numbers, and other than these numbers you will not take them for the division, means only prime numbers you will take. And you already know that what are the prime numbers. The numbers those are coming only in their own table are known as the prime numbers. Few examples I have written here: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Okay, now see that question number first one. You have to find the LCM of 25 and 45. So if you will divide it by 3, okay, by 2 these number will not be divisible, so we just move on 3. So by 3 if you will divide, you will get that 15 3 ja 45, and 25 is not divisible by 3. So further 15 is divisible, so you will take 3 5 ja 15. Now 5 and 25 both of them they are divisible by 5. So you will take that 5 5 ja and 5 1 ja, and finally 5 1 ja and 5 1 ja. So LCM will be 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So 9 into 25 is equal to 225 will be your LCM. Okay, in the same way you can see the B part of this question, 278 and 91. See that now 2 1 ja 2 and 2 78 39 2 ja 78, 90 is not 1 is not divisible. Then move to 3 now. 3 1 ja 3 3 3 ja 9 and 91 is not divisible. Okay, now see that by 7 1 13 will not divisible, 91 is divisible 13 times, and finally by 13. Okay, so in this way you will get these numbers 3 into 3 into 7, 3 into 2 into 7 into 13. Multiply them, you will get 546 as your LCM. Now see that C part of this question, 82 and 102. Okay, in the same way 82 and 102 is divisible by 2 first, then by 3, and then by 17, and finally by 41. So your LCM you will get as 4182 as your LCM. In the same way I have completed E F part of this question, and few part I have left, G, H, I and J, and one D part I have left for your homework. So you will complete them in your homework. Okay, because LCM in previous exercise also we have completed, so you are able to complete the LCM. Now we are moving to the exercise 3.9. now see that what is in exercise 3.9. Find the least number which divided by 36, 24 and 48 leaves remainder 33, 21 and 45 respectively. Okay, what you will do, first find LCM of 36, 24 and 48. See that 36, 24 and 48 divided by 2 first, 2 18 ja 12 and 24, do half of them. Okay, then 2 9 ja 2 6 ja 2 12 ja, further by 2, till that the division of 2 will not be completed, we will not leave 2 9 2 3 ja and 2 6 ja, then by further by 2 9 3 and 2 3 ja, then by 3 3 ja 3 1 ja 3 1 ja, and finally by 3 1 ja 3 1 ja and 3 1 ja. Okay, now what we will do, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 3 जा 48, 48 3 जा 144 will be as your LCM. Okay, will be as your LCM. Now see that. Now see that there is the divisors are 18, 12 and 36, 24 and 48. Okay, now but still the question has not completed. You have to find the number. If you will divide these number 36, 24 and 48, this number will be LCM is always completely divisible by the numbers for which you are finding the LCM. Okay, but in your question it is given that the number should leave the remainder. What you will do in this case, you will find that the difference of divisor and remainders, that is 36 minus 33 is equal to 3, 24 minus 21 is equal to 3 and 48 minus 45 is equal to 3. So it is coming equal 3 in each case. So what you will do, hence the number leave the remainder is equal to LCM minus 3, and LCM is equal to 144 minus 3 will be 141 as your answer. Okay, if you will divide by these numbers, then previously this LCM was completely divisible, but you need 3 as remainder. Okay, so what you will do, you will divide the numbers for which earlier you were find your LCM and subtract the remainders one by one from each of them. So you will get one common number 3. So you subtract that 3 from your LCM, so you will get the answer. Now come to the question number second one. No. See that beta. Second question, 2 tankers contains 500 and 600 liter of milk respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container. For maximum, whenever we have to given, we will find SCF for that, which can measure the milk of each container when used an exact number of times. Means by which container you will, that will have a maximum capacity, and you will find an exact number of times. So what you will do, find the SCF of these two numbers, SCF of 500 and 600. Okay, so I am finding that, see, 500 divided to 600, 500 1 ja 500, 100 will be as your remainder. Now this divide by this 100 to 500, so 100 5 ja 500. So SCF is equal to 100. So that vessel will have a capacity of 100 liter. If you will divide this 100 liter to a 500 liter container, so 5 times it will measure. If you will divide that 100 liter capacity to 600 liter container, so 6 times it will be divided. Okay, or 6 times it can be measured. So it will be your answer. Now come to the next question, that is question number 6th. Yes beta. Now see that question number 3rd one. The traffic light at the road crossing changes after every 36 seconds, 48 seconds and 72 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at AM, at what time will they change again simultaneously? What you will do, you will find the LCM of 36, 48 and 72. Okay, so see that what will be their LCM. 36, 48 and 72 divided by 2, 24 or 36. Then further by 2 till that the division of 2 will not completed, 12 or 18. Still it is divisible by 2, 9, 6 and 9. Then 2, 9, 3 ja or 9. Then by 3, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja or 3 3 ja. And finally by 3 1 ja. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 3 ja 48 into 3 is equal to 144. Means after 144 second it will change. So convert into minute. 144 divided by 60. After how many minutes it will change? 6 2 ja 12, 120. 2 minute and 44, no sorry, 24 second. After 2 minute and 24 second again it will change. If you will divide now, you can see that 60 divided 144, 62 ja 120. So 4 or 4 minus 2, 24 second. So 2 minute and 24 second. After 2 minute and 24 second again it will change. Okay, now come to the question number 4. Find the greatest number 4 digit which is exactly divisible by 10, 14, 16 and 18. So what we will do here, in not enough space, so I am turning the page. We will find the LCM in this case. Okay, and what are the number? 10, 14, 16 and 18. 10, 14, 16 and 18. You will find the LCM of this number. LCM of this number. So everybody is able to find the LCM of this number. Just now I taught you the LCM. So you will do this in your homework, and whatever LCM will come, that will be your answer. Okay, whatever LCM will come, that will be your answer. Now move to the next question. Find the smallest 3-digit number. Find the smallest number of 3 digit which on dividing by 16, 24 and 40 leaves a remainder of 6 in each case. So what you will do in this question, first you will find the LCM of these numbers. Okay, so LCM of the numbers which are 16, 24 and 40. So 16, 24 and 40's LCM will be 2 8 ja 12 or 20. Then 2 4 6 10. Then by 2 2 ja 2 3 ja or 2 5 ja 2 1 ja 3 or 5. Then division of 2 has completed. Now 3 1 1 or 5. Now lastly by the 5, 1 1 and 1. Okay, so LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48 into 5. 240 is LCM. Okay, if you will divide this LCM by these numbers, then it will be completely divisible. Means by 16 also LCM will completely divide and leave a remainder 0. Then by 24 also and 40 also. But you need remainder 6 in each case. So what you will do? 240 for leaving remainder 6, we need 240 plus 6 is equal to 246 will be your answer. 246 will be your answer. See that question number 7. Find the least number of 4 digits which on dividing by 10, 12 leaves a remainder of 7 in each of the case. So what you will do, you will find first LCM of 10 and 12. 10 and 12 LCM. Okay. So you will get 2 5 ja, 2 6 ja, then 2 5 2 3 ja, then 3 1 ja, and 5 1 ja. Okay. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60 will be your LCM. But you need the least number of 4 digits. Now you know that smallest 4 digit number is 1000. So you just divide 1000 by 60. So see that what you will get. 1000 divided by 60. 60 1 ja 60. You will get here 40, 400. So 6 6 ja 36. 360 you will get. So 40 will be as your remainder. Okay. So you just subtract this 40 from 1000 remainder. 1000 minus 40 is equal to how much you will get? 960. But this 960 will be completely divisible by 10 and 12. Okay. But this is 3 digit number. You required 4 digit number. For 960 is 3 digit number. We required 4 digit number. 4 digit number. So what you will do? 960 plus add this LCM 60. So how much you will get? That is 1020. This 1020 will be completely divisible by 10 and 12. But you required remainder also in this case. So for that remainder should be 7. So what you will do? Now for leaving remainder 7, leaving remainder 7, what you will do? 1020 plus 7. So what will be your answer? 1027 will be the smallest 4 digit number. What we have done? First of all, we will find the LCM of 10 and 12, which you will get 60. Then you know that smallest 4 digit number is 1000. You divide it by 60, so you will get 40 as remainder. So if you will subtract 40 from this number, you are getting 960, and it is the smallest 3 digit number which will be divisible by 10 and 12 completely. But you need 4 digit number. So what you will do? You will add LCM in this number, 960 plus 60. So you will get 1020. Okay. So it is a 4 digit number. Now you need remainder also 7 by dividing 10 and 12. So what you will do? Because this 1020 will be completely divisible by 10 and 12. So if you will add 7 in this case, then it will leave a remainder 7 in each of the cases. Okay. So so just enough for today, beta. Complete up to here. Okay. Then 7, 8 and we will do up to the question number 10 in this exercise. Okay. So 6 question we have discussed here. Rest of the question we will complete in the next class. Okay. Till then, have a good day to all of you.